This weekend, we're exploring Oregon. Only a 3-hour drive away from Seattle, it's the perfect spontaneous weekend trip for us.
I'ma let the rap world just sit back and max. I'll be in the lab with my technician, making tracks from a crate of old wax. I reinvent with good intent, so you can tell from the sound it's time well spent. Sent from the past to elevate for the mass. You form material just to show you got class. Well, I'm a bigger man, so I let the nonsense pass. You need to open your eyes because my mind stays fast. Let it be known that my wisdom is shown, that perfection is the key to unlock my microphone. I'm penetrating.
So today we're going to explore the Columbia River Gorge. There are actually 77 waterfalls along the river, and a lot of them you can just drive up to, so it's really nice. We're going to try to see as many as possible today. Multnomah Falls, probably the most popular waterfall here in Oregon, with 2 million people visiting each year. Because it is so popular, you do have to make sure to get here very early. We got here about 7:30 a.m. and we were able to get some really nice shots before the crowds came. Only a couple minutes down the road, there's Multnomah Falls. It's not as big as Multnomah, but it's still really pretty and very easy to check out. Fourth waterfall of the day, Waterfalls Falls. It's very lateral. It looks like you can get really close to the waterfall by walking along the side right there, and you can also see the cool geometric rocks up close. Now that we've checked a few things off our list, we're gonna head back down to downtown Portland and go get a beer. So we definitely didn't spend as much time as I would have liked at the Columbia River Gorge area. There's so much to do over there, and like I said before, there are 77 waterfalls. Not that we would try to see all of them, but there are lots of cool hikes. At Multnomah Falls, there was like a tourist information section, so we got a hiking booklet and a map. Lots of useful information. It also made us realize how much we're missing, but just gives us a reason to come back. You're still able to see a lot in such a short period of time, especially because that road takes you right up to the front of every waterfall basically. So I'm pretty satisfied with what we were able to see, and I'm excited to check out the Oregon coast later tonight. We're on our way to 10 Barrels Brewing right now. That's where Jake went last time he was here in Oregon. Apparently they have really great deals on flights. You can get 10 tasters for $10, so I'm really excited about that. Hey guys, it is day 2 here in Oregon, and today we're exploring the coast. Right now we are at Cannon Beach, and as you can see behind me there's the famous Haystack Rock. So we're going to check out Cannon Beach and a few other beaches around the area before we head home. Last night we tried to come here for sunset, but the sunset wasn't that great. It was still nice to fly the drone around. It is off season right now, so it's kind of windy, kind of cold, but it's still really cool to see. I think we're gonna get a quick breakfast before we head to our next beach. We just got here to Alzod State Park. We're trying to find the Devil's Cauldron Trail. However, there's not very many signs here, so we'll see where we end up. So we finally found the trail. It seems pretty easy. It's only a 0.5 mile walk from the parking lot to the overlook.